Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update error problems with Troubleshooter in Windows 11. The Windows 11 Troubleshooter can be accessed by going to Settings. This built-in tool can automatically diagnose and fix many common update issues. You can run Windows Update Troubleshooter and fix update issues. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and try to solve the problem. If you are successful with this video instruction, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. On the settings page, select the system settings, then go to the right pane. Here click to open the troubleshooter settings, then select the other troubleshooters. Here you will see many troubleshoot options. Then select Windows Update and click to run Windows Update Troubleshoot. It will start detecting the problem and try to fix update issues if you have any Windows Update issues. This may take some time depending on your system. Be patient. This will work in both Windows 10 and 11. Wait for the process to complete. Once complete, restart your computer to see if the issue is resolved. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.